Description: a medium hold low shine clay-based styler for definition, control and separation. Benefits: medium hold low shine, definition, control, separation. Suggested use: apply to wet or dry hair. Also great on curly hair types. Pure clean water infused with aloe. Naturally based, green chemistry, moisturize, enhance, protect, restore and repair the hair. We infuse the purest water with concentrated organic aloe vera powder. This powerful combination creates the #1 ingredient in Loma products. Aloemoist Complex is made of pure organic plant extracts, oils, vitamins and minerals and offers a simple and clean approach to healthy hair and a sustainable environment. Clean ingredients, natural fragrances. Paraben, sodium chloride, gluten and soy-free. Sulfate-free cleansing. LOMATherapy consists of essential oil-based fragrances, natural aroma ingredients, aromatic botanical extracts. Vegan-friendly. Never tested on animals and vegan-friendly, we utilize a small amount of beeswax in our fiber putty and forming paste, which we obtain in a way that does not harm the bees. All of our other products are totally vegan, using no animal byproducts. Top reviews from the United States. Matte finish makes hair look thicker. Loma always have great products. Got the molding cream for my husband and boys and they love it. It's more of a matte finish and it's not hard and crunchy. Has a great hold and it's a thick consistency, not watery, and it smells so good.